students. How are you? Fine? Very good. Students, in previous class, you have learned how to write letters from small to big. Small to big means big letter to small letter. Today we are going to learn big letters to small letters. Big letter to small letter. Look here. You have already know how to write capital and small alphabets A to Z. A to Z. So look here. Which letter is this? Who will tell me? Yes, small r. Small r. R for rose. R for rabbit. R for red. So look here. This small r, how this letter has written here? From first blue line to second blue line. Always start capital letters to write from first red line. From red line. Very good. So write here big capital R. A standing line from red line to second blue line. From red line to second blue line. From red line to first blue line, a curve. A curve. And from first blue line to second blue line, write one slanting line. Slanting line. This is capital R. Now, which letter is this? Small t. Small t. T for tiger. T for tree. T for telephone. Very good. So, write your capital T. Start from red line, one sleeping line and standing line from red line to second blue line. This is capital T. Now, which letter is this? Small w. Small w. W for watch. W for wall. W for, who will tell me? Bell. Now look here how to write capital W. Start from red line to second blue line, one standing line, go up, come down and go up. This is capital W. Now look here, which letter is this? Small d. D for dog. D for doll. D for door. Look here how to write capital D. One standing line from red line to second blue line and a big curve. This is capital D. Now which letter is this? Small f. Small f. F for fish. F for fan. F for fruits. Look here how to write capital F. Standing line, one sleeping line on red line and one sleeping line on first blue line. This is capital F. Now which letter is this? Small g. Small g. G for goat. G for grass. Look here how to write capital G. Then write one big curve from red line to blue line, second blue line. Go up, come down and a sleeping line on first blue line. This is capital G. Have you understood how to write small to capital? How to write big letters to small letter? Okay, then you have to write this classwork in your notebook.